Good morning, students. Welcome back to your math class for session 3, chapter 1, Where to Look From. Till now, we have discussed about different views of an object, patterns, and mirror halves. I hope you have revised your previous lectures and also completed your homework. So, let's start our session 3. Short recap of mirror halves. When symmetry line or dotted line divides a figure or design into equal halves, then that figures are known as mirror halves images. Today we will learn about many kind of activities by using this. First activity is here. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only one half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. So students, you are supposed to complete these pictures. Take your time and try to do in your notebook. So students, when you completed your task, you will get this type of pictures. First one is butterfly, second is lamp, third cat, fourth one is star, and the last one is fish. Correct? Very good. The next activity is here. Can you guess the letters from their halves? Here you can see many kind of pictures. Yes or no? Yes. And the same question is for words also. Guess the words by looking at their halves. So this activity we will do together in the notebook. So let's start. In order to find out these letters, we have to draw the mirror halves. So for the first one, when you draw the mirror halves, like this, you will get the letter A. For the second one, if you draw the mirror half, you will get the letter H. Similarly, by solving other examples, you will get C, U, B and X. By using this rule, you can find out the words also. Your answer is here. The first word is how, second one is wax, third one is cooked, and the last one is dice. Hey students, have you ever seen this type of mask? Yes. Wow. Tell me one thing. Do you want to make it now? Yes? Very good. So let's start. You can make your mask from the paper. First of all, fold your paper along the middle like the picture 1. Done? Very good. Second step, on the one side of a paper, draw the figure as shown in picture 2. Take your time and draw it properly. Done? Very good. The third step is cut it out using a pair of scissors. Please friends, do this step with your parents. Done? Very good. Now students, when you open the fold, it looks like this. Yes or no? Yes. Now color it and tie a rubber band on its back. And your mask is ready. Here is the short revision of the whole chapter. First of all, we have learned about different views of an object. First one is top view. What you can see when you look at an object or a thing from the above is known as its top view. Similarly, what you can see when you look at an object or a thing from its front is known as its front view. And the third one is what you can see when you look at an object or a thing from its side is known as its side view. Next, we can make different types of shapes and patterns using evenly spaced dots. And the last one is mirror halves. When symmetry line or dotted line divides a figure or design into equal halves, then those figures are known as mirror halves images. Your homework for third session is: first, list alphabets which are symmetrical, and the second one is make a mask of your favorite cartoon character. I hope you must have understood all the topics and liked this session also. Thank you.